HPV is the most common viral infection of the reproductive tract in both men and women, causing a range of infections. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sriparna Chakravarti, Consultant Microbiologist and Infection Control Officer at Neotia Bhagirathi Women and Childcare Center, Rawdon Street. Today I am going to discuss about human papilloma virus or HPV virus and cervical cancer. Now, HPV is the most common viral infection of the reproductive tract in both men and women, causing a range of infections including precancerous lesions which may lead to cancer. Over 200 types of HPV are known, among which 12 are known to be high risk or oncogenic or cancer causing. Among these 12, type 16 and 18 together account for 71% cases of cervical cancer globally. Type 45 accounts for 6% of cases and type 31 and 33 account for 4% of cases each. Now, regarding the spread of the virus, HPV spreads by contact with infected genital skin, mucous membrane, body fluids, or through sexual intercourse. Now, regarding vaccination, yes, infection with this virus is preventable. The vaccine can be taken after 9 years of age and is recommended before onset of sexual activity. It can be taken till 45 years of age. Now, regarding the dosage schedule of the vaccine, if the child is below 15 years of age, the dosage schedule consists of 2 doses 6 months apart. However, if the child is at or above 15 years of age, then the dosage schedule consists of 3 doses at 0, 1 to 2 months and 6 months interval. All the vaccines are prepared by recombinant DNA technology or cell culture technology, hence they do not contain any live biological products or viral DNA and are therefore non-infectious. We have 3 types of vaccines: bivalent, which contain 2 types of virus; quadrivalent, as is evident from the name, contain 4 types of virus; and nonavalent, which contains 9 types of virus. Now, something regarding cross protection. Some bivalent and quadrivalent HPV vaccines provide partial cross protection against the HPV types not included in the vaccine. Now, regarding detection, HPV infection in cervical epithelium can be detected by nucleic acid amplification test of the human papilloma virus, also known as DNA PCR. And this is done from cervical or vaginal samples collected by speculum examination. Now, HPV-induced changes in cervical epithelium can also be detected by microscopic examination of exfoliated cells. The test is known as Pap test or Papa-Nicolau test. Coming to screening, the World Health Organization recommends screening for HPV infection in all women aged 30 years of age, and this screening should be done at every 5 to 10 years interval.